Having blocks and making them are the first steps in using blocks. The next step will be inserting them into your drawing. Let's start with a blank template file. Any template file should be fine, but I prefer that you use the autocad.dwt template file for this. Now, to insert a block, it's very easy. You use the insert command. You can just type it in, insert, or you can type in the letter I, or you can go to the Home tab on the ribbon, go to the block panel, and click on the Insert button. Now, if you have a block inside your file already, you click on this arrow, and it will be listed here, and then you select it. Since we have no blocks here, we have to browse to one of the files on our network or on your computer or on a disk, something somewhere. I'm going to browse to the chair block that we made in an earlier section. So I find it, here's the chair, click open, and we have a couple of options here. Now we have to either uncheck this or check this. This is the insertion point. This is the set of coordinates where our block is going to be inserted to. Now, if you know exactly where it's going to go, then you type in those coordinates, but the majority of the time you're going to want to specify that on screen. Also, you can change the rotation or the scale of your block. Typically, you're always going to go with a 1-to-1 scale. Now, if you know that the block has to change in size, maybe you're doing something from inches to feet or to millimeters, you may want to make the scale automatically right there. Or if you want it to be rotated, typically though, these are going to be left alone. You can always scale it and rotate your block later on. Once you have these options selected, click OK, and then insert your chair, and there it is. So our chair block needs to be updated a little bit because we need this insertion point to be at the back, but you get the idea. Now our chair is in our file. Once inserted, you can use the insert command again, pick enter, go through the list of blocks that are here, or you can browse to wherever it is you want to go. Click OK, and you can insert your chair or block that way.